What is logistic regression? Logistic regression predicts a categorical outcome variable. This variable is typically binary, like yes or no. It uses a sigmoid function to predict the probability of the outcome. Widely used in healthcare, finance, and marketing. Binary logistic regression is the most common type of logistic regression. It predicts a binary outcome variable, which can take on one of two values. These values are often coded as 0 and 1. For example, predicting whether a customer will click on an online ad. The sigmoid function predicts the probability that the outcome equals 1. Imagine a credit card company aims to predict the likelihood of a customer defaulting on their next payment. They could use binary logistic regression. By inputting data points like transaction history, credit score, and income level, the model can compute the probability of a customer defaulting. This information is invaluable for the company to make informed decisions about credit limits and interest rates. In another scenario, consider a medical researcher studying the development of a certain disease. They could leverage binary logistic regression to analyze how factors like age, gender, BMI, and genetic predisposition correlate with the probability of disease occurrence. This analysis helps identify high-risk individuals and enables early intervention strategies. Section 4. Multinomial logistic regression. Multinomial logistic regression is an extension of binary logistic regression that is used to predict a categorical outcome variable with more than two possible values. For example, a multinomial logistic regression model could be used to predict which of 3 brands of soft drink a consumer is most likely to purchase: Coke, Pepsi, or Sprite. Or to predict which of 4 types of credit card a consumer is most likely to apply for: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover. In multinomial logistic regression, a separate set of coefficients is estimated for each possible value of the outcome variable. These coefficients represent the change in the log odds of the outcome variable, equaling a particular value relative to a reference category, for a 1-unit change in the predictor variable, holding all other predictor variables constant. Section 5. Ordinal logistic regression. Ordinal logistic regression is a type of logistic regression that is used to predict an ordinal outcome variable, which is a categorical variable with a natural ordering. For example, an ordinal logistic regression model could be used to predict a student's letter grade in a course, A, B, C, D, or F. Or to predict a patient's satisfaction with their medical care, very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, or very dissatisfied. In ordinal logistic regression, a set of thresholds is estimated for the outcome variable. These thresholds represent the points at which the predicted probability of the outcome variable equaling a particular value crosses over to the next highest value. For example, in the case of predicting a student's letter grade, there would be 4 thresholds: 1 between A and B, 1 between B and C, 1 between C and D, and 1 between D and F. Section 6. Conclusion. Logistic regression, in its various forms, is a fundamental tool in statistical analysis. Its ability to predict categorical outcomes makes it incredibly versatile and applicable across a multitude of disciplines. Whether it's predicting customer behavior in marketing, disease risk in healthcare, or creditworthiness in finance, logistic regression provides invaluable insights for decision-making. Understanding the different types of logistic regression, binary, multinomial, and ordinal, empowers us to choose the right model for the specific question at hand. By harnessing the power of this statistical technique, we can unlock hidden patterns in data and gain a deeper understanding of the world around us.